Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create an APA citation. So when you have to do an APA, a project that involves APA citations, I will have your APA tab on the LibGuide. So how can you create APA citations on the web? We use easybib to do that, but we have to use our subscription. So click on over here to easybib, and you want to register if you have not already done so. It's quick. Now you do need to put in the coupon code. The coupon code each year is going to be a little different, so please make sure you pay attention to the APA page. It'll be in a box with this tutorial. But I happen to know what it is right now, but that might change. So you want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you can kind of see what that looks like. So I'm logging in here. So once you log in, the way you can create APA, and this is a really good way to keep up with your projects in general, is to create a new project. So in this case, I'm creating a project for Miss Allen, so on animals. And I want to make sure it says APA, and then I'm going to create project. Okay, so you'll notice it here, I have a lot of ones. So there it is down there. I'm going to click on bibliography, and you'll notice that there's nothing in there. So let's say I had over here I'm on a LibGuide, and so let's say so many things come with the citation. So first of all, let's take a situation where we have something that comes with the citation. Okay, so for example, in Grower, let's see. We'll look up pandas and see what we get from there. Okay, so I have an article here, and this article has the APA citation at the end. Many resources like databases come with the citation. So that is really awesome. So I'm going to copy that and then put that in my project. So now in this case I already have the citation, but I still want to add it to my bibliography. So I'm going to click on all 59 options, and I want to do right paste citation, and I'm going to paste that in there, and I use so you copy and paste in there. Now you'll notice it doesn't have the italicized. I have to tell it to do that, and this is how I do that. I call these Pac-Man. Pac-Man I reverse Pac-Man starts it, and Pac-Man /I reverse Pac-Man stops it. So I look back here and I say, well, what's italicized here? And the only thing that's italicized is Encyclopedia Americana. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to tell it to start by saying Pac-Man I reverse Pac-Man, and then after this I gotta stop. So I do Pac-Man /I, if I could, there we go, reverse Pac-Man, and I want to create the citation. Then I'm going to compare the two. So I look at that, and then I look at this, and they look the same. So I did that right. Now what about in the situation where you have a lovely website, and so I'm going to use that. So let's say that I'm going to have this page right here. So in this case, I'm going to grab the web address, I'm going to go back to easybib, and go click on animals here. So I need to do a website, right? And I'm going to click on cite this. So I'm going to fill out as much of this information as I can, okay? So I'm going to see if this article has a author, and it does. So Renee Mulcrone. So I'm going to fill that in. A lot of times it doesn't have an author. Okay, I think that's spelled right. Now I need to figure out when it was published. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to look here, see if there's anything at the top of the page, and then I go down to the bottom, has the references, and then up well, this is kind of nice. So it actually comes with a type of one. Um, that's pretty exciting. So I didn't know that, but we're gonna click. We're gonna do this one anyway. So it says it's 2005. So I'm gonna fill that in. Okay, and I want to make sure this looks right. Sometimes the website titles will be wrong, so I want to make sure that looks right up there. And I'm just going to leave it at that. So I'm going to correct that. So a lot of times you got to watch out with easybib. It'll do that wrong. So I'm going to reverse that. So I'm going to put in today's date for the date access. And sometimes an article will come with this, but most of the time it doesn't. So then I'm going to hit create citation. And then it's been created. There you go. It's that easy. And if you have any questions, please talk to Miss Smithfield in the library. Now, when you're done with all your sources, it's going to be so easy because you're going to hit export or print, and you're going to say, well, you can either print as a document. If you're emailing it to me, you'll click on email bibliography and you'll type in Miss Smithfield's library address. Everyone knows that. Amanda.smithfield@mnps.org. And then I'll get that information. And here's another cool thing is that you can actually work on the bibliography with others if you ever do have a group project. So it's pretty cool. If you're a Google Docs person, you can do that. Or you can select it to copy and paste, which means you could paste it easily into, if you don't have Word or something like that, then that can be pretty helpful too. So pretty cool. I love our easybib subscription. And like I said, if you have any questions, then ask me. Okay, talk to you later.